Thank you, Dennis Aseto. Now moving on to politics, the United Democratic Party has now called for a joint crisis meeting of all elected UDA MCAs in the Nairobi County Assembly to resolve the wrangles in the party regarding changes in leadership. Now, the disgruntled members who lost their positions claim that Deputy Governor James Njoroge is in cahoots with unnamed top party officials to frustrate them and in the end impeach Governor Johnson Sakaja. KTN's Emmanuel To now reports on a fresh wave of wrangles rocking the ruling party.
Another episode in a series of wrangles in the ruling party UDA, this time round the Nairobi County UDA MCAs starring in the show. This letter sent to the Speaker of the Nairobi County Assembly by the UDA Secretary General Cleopas Malala, kicking up the storm as 4 members of the Assembly leadership were shown the door and their replacements communicated. In the letter, Nairobi South MCA Waithera Shege and nominated MCA Joyce Modhoni were announced as the minority leader and minority whip respectively, taking the positions of Waithaka MCA Anthony Kirago and Umoja One MCA Mark Mugambi respectively.
Unlike our predecessors, who chose to pursue personal interests, we promise our members and Nairobians in general that we shall push these agendas.
The UDA party has played its part, and therefore I want to call upon the Speaker to play his part and ensure that the communication is formalized and by conveying the same to the plenary as soon as possible, because Nairobians cannot wait to be served better.
However, in a quick rejoinder, the ousted leader stormed the UDA offices, demanding audience with the Secretary General Cleopas Malala, while claiming the signatures used to kick them out were forged.
Change of leadership actually has a word vote. There was no voting, there was no consultation, and we are saying that we are not in agreement. The allegations that have been leveled against the current leadership are petty, they are false.
We even have other signatures that have been forged. You cannot have Mheshimiwa signing PN. You know, we need authenticity of these signatures. We have affidavits with us.
The duo alleged a hand of a powerful official of the party, whom they claim is frustrating their efforts due to their allegiance to the Governor Johnson Sakaja, whom they hinted was on the impeachment radar.
Personally, myself, I've had 2 invitations by very senior members of the UDA government, my bosses, somewhere in Karen. They have invited me twice and asked me to start a battlefront for Governor Johnson Sakaja for undisclosed reasons.
They are just stamping that once they are done with us, they will start the process of impeaching the governor.
The Secretary General Cleopas Malala, forced to intervene, said the current leadership remained as is until a meeting slated for Thursday to iron out the differences.
I have done a letter which has already been delivered to the County Assembly to call for a meeting of all elected members of County Assembly here at the Secretariat on Thursday at 10 a.m. I have also invited other officials of the party, because this matter seems to be bigger than just the few of us.
The ruling party has been rocked by wrangles, with some members coalescing around the top leaders ahead of the December party elections. Those seen to lean towards the president, one December 9th maintained, while those behind the deputy president seek an alternative date.
A party without conflict is a dead party. A party with conflicts, this is a sign of vibrance in a party. So we are okay. Chama iko imara.
Emmanuel To, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now still in politics, NARC Kenya leader Martha Karua